Yes, 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 no, beta. So inculcate more habits of reading good books, story books, novels, right? And so that your knowledge will increase, right or no, beta? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what is the thought?
I have always imagined that Paradise will be
Paradise,
a kind of library.
yes, will be a kind of a library. Very good. Chalo. Now we will start our day with a good thought, good day. Yes, the last class we stopped at the story, right? We have to discuss about story, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what was the story? We completed about the fruits and vegetables, right? Different cultures and traditions. Now, today we are going to see a story of Anant. Okay, Anant is a boy who is going to the other country. Okay, now for a for something to learn, for attaining a knowledge seminar. Okay, so what difficulties he faces, that we are going to see, means eating habits. What difficulty he faces in eating habits, that we are going to see in this story. Okay, yes, Bhaja, Fatima, read beta.
Okay, ma'am. Ma, I'm hungry. Atun was excited. He was coming to Ahmedabad as part of a student exchange program from Nagaland as the landscape changed from lush green green to the hot and dry landscape of Gujarat. Atun also felt a little nervous. He was received at the railway station by Mr. by Mrs. and Mr. Patel, who could who could be his host for the next 7 days. That he would be this Mr. Patel was also the principal of the school. Atun would be attending Mr. Patel hugged Atun and welcomed him at home. A mouth-watering lunch awaited him. Rice was the first dish Atun looked on his plate. It reminded him of home. It, it explained that as Gujarat dish tasting a little sugary or sweet. Mr. Patel explained that as Gujarat all dishes have a little sugar added to them after a few
Beta,
drinks have
1 minute
added.
more this Fatima. Uh, my network issue or your voice is not coming? Her voice is not coming, girl?
I did repeat, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, beta, you can.
Just 1 minute. Huh?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Ma, I am hungry. Now my voice is coming.
Yes, now it's coming.
Ma, I am hungry. Atun was excited. He was coming to Ahmedabad as a part of student exchange program from Nagaland as the landscape changed from lush green to the hot and dry landscape of Gujarat. Atun also felt a little nervous. He was received at the railway station by Mrs. and Mr. Patel, who would be his host for the next 7 days. That he would be there. Mr. Patel was also the principal of the school. Atun, Atun would be attending Mrs. Patel, hugged Atun and welcomed
Hugged.
him.
Okay, hugged nahi, hugged.
Hu- Hugged Atun and welcomed him at home. A mouth what a mouth what watering lunch awaited him. Rice was the first dish Atun look, took on his plate. It reminded him of home. It was followed by dal and vegetable. Atun found each dish tasting a little sugar or sweet. Mr. Patel explained that in Gujarat all dishes have a little sugar added to them. After a few days, Never Atun couldn't release the food any longer. More, Moreover, Mr. and Mrs. Patel were vegetarians like most other, other Gujaratis. Wherever Atun, like other Nagaland, was a non-vegetarian, at the end of week it was a time for Atun to return. He had enjoyed his stay, but he was missing home. As Kohima approached Atun,
Yes, yes. Now we will read this much. We'll understand this much. Now, what is in this story, beta? Okay, Atun was excited. Why was he excited? Yes, why was he excited? Can
Because
anyone say me?
because in Ahmedabad. Because
Huh?
he was in Ahmedabad. Student exchange
Huh?
program.
Where was the student exchange program?
Nagaland.
Ahmedabad.
Very good. Now, there what he did when he reached? After reaching there, he first of all, for what he went there? He went there for student exchange program. For what did he go? For student exchange program. What did he go, beta? Yes, my dear students. For what did he go? Beta, what did he go for?
Student
Like we
exchange
have to,
program.
the thought was student exchange, ma'am.
Very good. So when he reached there, what did he notice? You know, beta, that as he had come from Nagaland to Gujarat, Ahmedabad, yes. So what did he notice? You know, beta, the landscape changed from lush green to the hot and dry landscape of Gujarat. How was the landscape of Gujarat, beta? Hot and dry. We live in Gujarat state, right?
Yes.
Yes, and the land of Gujarat is how, beta? It is dry. How it is?
Dry.
Yes, right? So when he reached Gujarat, what happened that he found a drastic change in the atmosphere, right? Now, apart from that, after his reaching to Gujarat, what happens, beta? That he was don't, I also felt a little nervous. Why did he feel nervous? हाँ बेटा तो उनको nervousness क्यों लगी? Any idea? Because he was coming to a new state, right? Because he was coming to a new state. Okay. He was also he received by the at the station by whom? By Mrs. and Mr. Patel. By whom? Beta?
Mrs. and
Mrs.
Mr. Patel.
Yes, Mrs. and Mr. Patel. Is it clear? Now,
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
who would be his host for the next 7 days? That he will be there. Okay. Now, Mr. Patel was also the principal of the school of Aton, who he was, who will be attending. वो क्या थे प्रिंसिपल भी थे कहाँ के बेटा
जो स्कूल में
कहाँ
अटून
के
पढ़ाई
प्रिंसिपल थे
जो स्कूल में अटून स्टडी करता था.
यस जिस स्कूल में एटॉन को पढ़ने जाना था राइट यस और नो
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
यस so who was एटॉन and from where he was coming
From Ahmedabad. Ma'am,
हाँ
can I?
हाँ
Can I?
यस
Ma'am, can I read this?
no no I asked you a question okay who was एटॉन from where was he coming From which city was he coming?
Ahmedabad.
Ahmedabad.
Yes, he was coming from
Ahmedabad.
Ahmedabad. Where was he coming from? He was
Ahmedabad.
from Ahmedabad, right? From sorry, he was coming to Ahmedabad from Nagaland, right? Yes or no, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, after reaching to Ahmedabad, he saw first of all the change in climate, the vegetation, right? Now, Mr. and Mrs. Patel, Mr. Patel was the principal of School of Aton. He hugged Aton and welcomed him. Hugged Aton means what? When you are very happy, you also hug your parents, no? That is called hugging, okay? Now, at home, when they reached, mouth-watering lunch awaited him. Means what? Mouth-watering lunch means a very delicious lunch was there. Yes, he was waiting for a he got a very delicious lunch. It was awaiting for him. Rice was the first dish Aton took. What was the first dish that Aton took? Rice. Why? Because he was from eastern state, है ना? So eastern state mostly consume rice, no? Mostly people consume rice, right or wrong?
Right.
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 So
Right.
yeah, so first of all, what did he took? First of all, he took rice in his lunch, right? Then what did he do? He missed something. Any guesses? What did he miss?
Her family.
Huh?
Her,
Of course, his
her
family,
family.
but Arun found each dish tasting a little sugary or sweet. So, what did he miss? The particular taste, what he used to eat, है ना? जो टेस्ट वो अपने घर पे अपने सिटी में अपने स्टेट में खाता था वो उसने मिस किया. क्यों? क्यों मिस
क्योंकि वो
किया?
उसका घर का खाना,
हाँ,
क्योंकि वो उसका घर का खाना था और ये बाहर का खाना है.
बाहर का खाना नहीं, मतलब कि द टेस्ट वी आर टॉकिंग हियर अबाउट, ओके? द टेस्ट वाज डिफरेंट. इज इट क्लियर? देन हिज particular his
हाँ.
state, right? Right or wrong? We also sometimes go to other city, so we also don't like
Right.
no their taste.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. So this also happened with Aton. Okay. So because everything was tasting him sweet. So the Gujarati people, we always eat something. Always add the sweetness to our taste. Like we add sugar or jaggery to our food, right? Right. So what happened? He found a little change in the sugary or sweet. Mrs. Patel explained that in Gujarat, all dishes have a little sugar to added to them. What do all people have? A little sugar added to them. What do they have, beta?
A little sugars added to
Little
Uh,
them.
sugar.
yes. Do you have in your house also same food?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it a little sweet in taste? Is it little sweet in taste? Yes, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Same way, he also felt the same thing, Kalita. Huh? He also felt a little sweetness, right? After a few days, however, Aton could not release the food any longer. Matlab he was now not liking the food any longer, right? Because why?
Because he was non-vegetarian.
No, he was not. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो non vegetarian था. He was coming from a different state. That is why. Okay,
Okay.
is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That means what? Their culture and tradition is different than our culture and tradition. है ना? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So now what is it happening? That moreover, Mrs. and Mr. Patel, they both, what did they do? They were vegetarians like most of the other Gujaratis. Atons, like other people from Nagaland, was a non-vegetarian. So he will not get that food also. Yes, he will not get the non-vegetarian food also. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So
Yes.
he will not, yes, so he will not like that also, right? So but he was missing the home also. क्या मिस कर रहा था वो? होम भी मिस कर रहा था, right?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So uh, as Kohima approached, Aton could see greenery. So he had enjoyed his stay. At the end of the week, it was time for Aton to return. Now he was returning his home, right? Now he was going where? He was going back to his home, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Very good. So when he was returning, but he was missing his home. So when he was returning, it was the time that when he approached Aton, could see greenery from the window of the plane he had boarded from Kolkata. है ना? So now he was able to see again the black greenery. Yes or no?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yeah. So he's now happy. It reminded him for home. Again, he was in the memory of his home. So you saw how was his journey with different culture and tradition? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it reminded him of home, hot food, especially the rice and the soup. Especially what?
Rice.
Yes, the mother's whatever the mother cooked, right? The rice and the soup, right?
Yes.
So now he is back to his home. So what he will do first?
He hugged her mother.
He,
Huh? What will he do the first?
Hugged
Yes.
he
him.
will
First
eat.
thing Adam told
He
his
want to
mother after
go
hugging
for
her
home.
was, Ma,
He
Ma,
said,
I'm
I'm
hungry.
hungry. Give me some food.
Give me some food, please. What did he say? Ma, I am hungry. Okay, give me some food. Understood this way, right? This way, Aton was very happy once again, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood the story? What is mentioned in this story about different culture that Aton has to face, right? When he is going to the other country or say other state. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
chalo.
ma'am.
Yes, we will revise the story.
Ma'am, can I Malada Aisha?
Yes, Malada
Ma'am,
Aisha,
can
you
I
can.
Ganyani Achiya?
Malada Aisha.
Yes, ma'am. Ma, I am hungry. A dawn was excited. He was coming to
Excited.
Ahmedabad.
He was excited.
He was excited. He was coming to Ahmedabad as part of student exchange promo, program,
Program.
program from Nagaland as the landscape charge from lush
Charge nahi changed.
changed from lush green to the hot and dry landscape to Gujarat. Now of Gujarat. A ton also flight a little nervous.
Felt a little nervous.
Flat a
Felt.
little
Flat nahi felt.
felt a little nervous. He was revised. He was received at the railway
Received
station.
nahi. Received.
Received at the railway station by Mrs. and Mr. Patel, who was who was be his his, mo- his host for the next 7 days to, that he would be there. Mr. Patel was also the principal of the school. Aton would be. मैम आपकी स्क्रीन चली गई.
Yes, beta, 1 minute. Present again. Now you can see.
नो मैम. यस मैम. मिस्टर पटेल
Yes, beta, what is your name, beta?
attending Mrs. Patel. What ma'am?
Yes, continue. Be fast, beta.
Okay ma'am. Mrs. Patel hugged Aton welcome him at home. A mouth-watering lunch lunch
Awaiting.
awaiting him. Rice was the first dish Aton took on this plate. It remembered it reminded him to him of home. It was followed by dal and vegetables.
Excuse me for a ma'am.
But
Yes, बोलो बेटा.
भी अल्पेश सर लेक्चर में ज्वाइन हुए हैं ना, तो अल्पेश सर ने पूछा ये CA शहनवाज की जो आईडी है ना, उसका नाम क्या है?
What you are saying, बेटा?
यहाँ पे CA शहनवाज H खेतानी करके एक आईडी है ना, तो अल्पेश सर अभी ज्वाइन हुए ना, वो पूछ रहे हैं.
I didn't listen him.
यहाँ पे है CA शहनवाज H खेतानी.
नहीं, वो 6 का नहीं है, वो 5th का है ये. बट उसका नाम बताया था, मैं बोलती हूँ सोच के, मैं भूल गई.
मैं भी भूल गई.
अच्छा, निकुल
तो बेटा अभी लेक्चर स्टार्ट है, अभी उसी नहीं चर्चा करनी है, बाद में मैं पूछ लूंगा. कंटिन्यू.
Yes, beta. So you understood the story that how different culture was reflected, right? Yes
yes,
or no?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
In the Aton's travel journey, Aton ने जो journey travel की थी, how different culture was reflecting there. Yes, understood. So this happens with all of us. Yes, with all of us when we are traveling to any other country or any other state, we have to adopt their food. है ना? We have to
Yes,
eat their food habits, right? And some days we will like, we will enjoy, but later on we will miss our house, right?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, we will miss the taste in of our country, right? Taste of our particular state, है ना?
Yes.
Yes. Chalo, very good. Chalo, understood everyone the story?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So what is it?
Yes,
What is shown in this story? Basically, who will say me?
different cultures.
Yes, how people follow different cultures, right? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
A beautiful story, right? Now with it, why do you think Aton asked his mother for food? है ना? Can anyone say me?
Yes.
Dressing up.
Ma'am, can I read?
Ma'am, can I read
No,
Keshwani
no one will read.
Can I read? Ma'am, can I
No,
read Keshwani Fatima?
no. My question is, why do you think Aton asked his mother for food? Say me, chalo.
Because he was hungry.
Why did he ask, beta?
Because he
Because
was
he was
hungry.
hungry.
Of course, because he was hungry, but also because he was not hungry because he was missing the home food. है ना? He was missing his home food. That is why he asked his mother first about the food. Right? He was missing the taste of his mother's food. Right? So he was missing basically the culture in which he was raised. है ना? जिसमें वो बड़ा हुआ था. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Chalo. Chalo, everyone understood till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Did Mrs. Patel, next question.
Yes,
What is
ma'am.
the question?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the next question?
Did Mrs.
Did
Patel
Mrs.
not
Patel not
give
give him food
him
to eat?
Food?
He
food to
have
eat?
a glass
Have
dish
a glass
and
dishes.
dish.
Yes. Was it that Mrs. Patel and Mr. Patel did not give him food to eat? No, it was not that. Was it that?
It was
No.
not.
No, it
It
was
was
not.
not.
It was not that he was not getting food at all, right? But what it
Yes.
was,
He was not get her mother taste.
her particular culture's taste he was not getting, right?
Yes.
Right or wrong? Yes or no, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, dressing up in India. This topic we will be discussing in the next class, okay? Because it's a lengthy topic. So, any doubt till here, you can ask me right now.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.